Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with a black appearance package, mobile office package, and the bed utility package. We do get rear park sensing on this vehicle, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side with blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, side view camera. We do get a remote start on this vehicle as well. A nice black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see a 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, flat fold storage system, cup holders in storage, 12 volt and rear vents, USB-Cs, 120 volt, and you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We got our tailgate opener, gas cap lights, spotlights, parking brake, plenty of door space in the back or in the front with powered locks, windows, mirrors, and which is all pretty handy. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 9 kilometers. We do get the nice leather wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and field gauges, off-road, towing, status of phone, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select. That is foldable. Storage, cup holders, more storage here. You even get a wireless charging pad. Whoop, gonna slide that back down. Center console with an interior work surface, perfect for your food, meal, laptop, totally up to you. Storage below. We do get our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Nice little coin slot, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our Pro Power onboard, which you can turn it on from here. You get your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, pretty easy to use, search reasons saved, and have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA36468, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.